Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Yves once here again. Today I'm bringing to you the onion juice treatment for maximum hair growth. Onions contain sulfur, which stimulates hair growth, and it also helps in treating scalp infections. Onion contains antioxidants, which fight against free radicals, which destroy the hair follicles and lead to thinning and loss of hair. So when used frequently, it is gonna help get rid of bald patches and stimulate hair growth. To start, you're gonna need an onion, and here I prefer to use the red onion because it's the strongest kind of onion. Now I'm just gonna chop it up into smaller pieces. Now I'm gonna put it in my blender and blend it up. Make sure you use an amount which is just enough for your hair, because you cannot keep the leftover juice for the next time. You can add some water to make blending easier. Afterwards, using a strainer, I'm just gonna get the juice out. So now our onion juice is ready to be used. Now, starting from wet or dry hair, just dip your fingers into the juice and apply it onto your scalp. Make sure you don't leave any part out. It can be very smelly. Afterwards, just cover it up with a shower cap or a plastic bag. Leave it on for about 1 hour. After 1 hour, take off the shower cap and wash your hair with a mild shampoo. You would have to wash it out very well because of the smell. Now you have to do this once a week for very effective results. It also helps in thickening your hair. This process can sometimes make your hair feel very dry, and if it does, do not forget to follow it up with a deep conditioning treatment. Okay guys, so this is it. I hope you like it. If you've not subscribed to this channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button now. Give me a thumbs up and share this video. Until next time, I'm gonna see you with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.